acknowledging the value of students' own ideas and empowering them to gradually take more responsibility for their learning.
This is Scientists Arena on your screen. Scientists Arena Talk Show. Good day, scientists. Welcome to today's episode of substantial discussion about relevant topics in science education. Anything you need to know about the natural world, let's talk it over here in our virtual platform. I am Emmanuel, Scientists Arena advocate and your host. Please join us as we converse with different distinguished personalities in the field of science. It is always annoying to hear people snore while sleeping, and today we'll be meeting an expert in science as he tells us why it is so. Join me as I welcome to stage Mr. Johnson Caleb, a Bachelor of Medicine. Welcome to the show, Mr. Johnson. It's a pleasure having you on the show. Thanks for inviting me. So please, can you explain to us why people snore when they sleep? Sure, when you doze off and progress from a light sleep to a deep sleep, the muscles in the roof of your mouth, soft palate, tongue and throat relax. The tissues in your throat can relax enough that they partially block your airway and vibrate. The sound of the vibrating tissues is what you hear as the snore. But what can we do so that these tissues don't relax anyhow? And we don't want to snore anyhow cause we don't want our loved ones to be ashamed of us sleeping in public. The first and foremost advice I'll give is you should sleep on your side. Other tips to prevent snoring are: losing weight if obese, quit being a smoker, treat any nasal obstruction or congestion, and also limit the use of alcohol and sedatives. You can also raise the head of your bed. Don't you think tiredness can also cause people to snore while sleeping? You're right, tiredness weakens the body with the body tissues not being left out, so getting a good sleep is also helpful in preventing incessant snorings during your sleep. Thank you so much, Mr. Johnson. I now know that snoring is unintentional, so I'm not going to be angry with my wife anymore. You're sure welcome. You can just make her watch this video instead. We'll do that. Thank you once again, sir. Look forward to having you on the show once again. Do have a great day. Thank you for staying with us up to this moment. That was a nice show with Mr. Johnson. I'm sure you're now clear about why people snore while they sleep. If you still are not satisfied, drop a comment in the comment box. Don't fail to like and share. Please subscribe so you can get updates, as we'll be talking about why birds don't urinate in the next video. Thank you and stay safe.